Hello dear students, today we are going to start third chapter of supplementary book A Pact with the Sun, and the third chapter is the shepherd's treasure. Shepherd, a person who grazes sheep, means जो भेड़ बकरियां चराते हैं. So let's start. A poor shepherd once lived in Iran. He was living in Iran. Though uneducated, he was very wise and helpful. Though he did not able to read, did not able to study, but he was intelligent. The king decided to meet him in disguise. So these are some points which tell us about the story. Let's start. In a village in Iran, there once lived a shepherd. ईरान के एक विलेज में एक शेफर्ड रहता था, चरवाहा रहता था. He was very poor. He was very poor. He did not even have a small cottage of his own. So he did not have any place to live like cottage. He had never been to school, never learned to read or write. He was uneducated. For there were very few schools in those days, because at that time when the shepherd was living, there were no schools in Iran. Though poor and uneducated, the shepherd was very wise. He was very intelligent. He understood people's sorrows and troubles. He understood people's sorrows. Sorrows means dukh, takleef, and troubles. Troubles means musibate. And help them face their problems with courage. हिम्मत के साथ उन्हें मुसीबतों का सामना करना सिखाता है. And common sense. Many people came to him for advice. Many people came to him and asked him what we should do in this situation. Soon he became famous for his wisdom. For his intelligence, he became famous. And friendly nature. He was very friendly. He talked to everyone in a friendly way. The king of that country heard about him and thought of meeting him. The king had heard about the shepherd by people, and so he wanted to meet him. Disguised as a shepherd. Disguised means he dressed up. The king dressed up himself as a shepherd and riding on a mule. Mule means khachar. Khachar is like a species of donkey. One day, the king came to the cave where the wise shepherd lived. King came to the cave, वो गुफा जहाँ पर शेफर्ड रहता था. किंग आया. As soon as shepherd saw the traveler coming towards the cave, he rose to welcome him. शेफर्ड ने देखा कि कोई आ रहा है तो वो उसके वेलकम के लिए खड़ा हो गया. He took the tired traveler inside the cave and gave him water to drink and share his own meager meal. Meager means in very little amount. जो थोड़ा सा खाना उसके पास था, उसने उसमें से भी ट्रैवलर को दिया, पानी पीने को दिया, उसे अंदर लेके गया. The king rested for the night in the cave and was greatly impressed by the shepherd's hospitality and wise conversation. So the king was very impressed. पूरी रात को वो वहाँ पे रुका, लेकिन किंग जो था शेफर्ड की हॉस्पिटैलिटी होती है आवभगत. जैसे हमारे घर में कोई आता है तो हम उसकी मेहमान नवाजी करते हैं, उसको कहते हैं हॉस्पिटैलिटी। तो उसकी हॉस्पिटैलिटी से, उसकी आवभगत से किंग बहुत ही इम्प्रेस हुआ और उसकी इंटेलिजेंट टॉक से। वी विल कंटिन्यू इट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। थैंक यू।